Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TVGH so wofreme adwoa searching.
Me say opreku wia ne ho. Kopam enwi atade hye. Wo si yesi wonye preku bi. Wadane wudwan a. Ne hwewa de obeye ne de ontime nsisande da. Ise preku ne hwewa bokọ neti. Mahu na awotwe yemu a na awotwe. Mahu NDC fo mo hyehye mo. Mahu Ghana fo so eso asimo so. Ise mo yerenum nyina da ne mema. Muhu mo yerenom so mo ye mema. Kosi eniyeme ekoso wo mo adwinim. Eni makomam ni mo yemo no. Akono bia firimu. Amuka asem bedi atura fam ho adi. Wo Okudezeto anwen wo sese papa dua. Di atura wa mfele ensuro. Na mi ye nke esirimni bade. Esire ba anasa anwunani. Ka mo mpanimfo de nka mo mfa mo nsi wo mo fam. Di atura bu akufo ado so amfo ani anto se papa ye pani ka se wodnam no ni ofie se efuro bi se ho ahwani bu se wa buruni ene omu dware bi eso na se na madwen wo mo madwen wo fam so gidiye di atura gu papa yi afi na wo twefa obo afi na mo twefa mbo mo we se amamu amubu mo ya amamu ni se India movie plane na mwie ni obi dibrika no aso plane nu awuro ni atu bullet no de ne se age asia ade we betimi asida na wo ye kankane mo hu aho kira abunamu first ukuma ponche enka aponche ne to ne twa ne sabi ye twa to twene ele busuo bi a ukuma ponche ton se ne twa ne to no sabi manimu a wo twa to twene a hwani nyina afra nam no won ko twa ntonto twitwa enso mato niema mu ameda ponche bo kora ye den na okota ponche nkuta 1000 2000 3000 untimi nya ponche ene 500 de ne ba wanya yem se na wotwe me yemi ana wanya na wotwe ne enamensa se ne ebuman ena majere mo ena do the pumping na mo pompe dollar na dollar na ntehwe so se na me head akoto mo na mo se yatete so dia ba 70 cedis so echa burodoto we am na mo ewudi a udi to aso boso me a wo yam niema nyina abese wo be lusu wani nyina be fra mo anwa no nsu nyenyenyenyenyenyenyen anwa ade chi ade na kata wonam na wo che ne center ne anwa fun be no anwa na ese de adigu kam ese de adigu abobo ye we anwa enyo mo mpade afu asabi wo magimi no embe kwa kotiska koto we anwa we ye mo bu India movie amamu ye two bullet am de mo sen age we ye kankane ifi am si ye enie
aye den juice na nya papa juice na jimi anyinya enu nti se wo ye obi a wo kon dokote bone te se de oba wusi meri wusi wo ba ye wode no from enkwada grade wo se de oye CEO nti on pay 40 men ayi said 40-year-old men you up young boys ni moja agene ni twagene nyansan ensan eni ni trim ena odi kotefon nti wotena wa na mfifirete ne kakra na aba ni muso nko kan kwase asam keke koteboni die no de yede ba no de bia mu ko school a mo maame ne mo papa no mo kire mo usi so afa ba pa fa be mapa ye tu no fo no no see o yaya no oh girl the girl on the block nti or the girl on the block sa nkwase akeka sa wentumi anye serious enye kunu papa bi antena ho ambobra nti sa de a ene no yehunu se obe ni mu na ye papa ye nkotu ye ni emfensi ne so ai nanka wo ye oba wo support oba nanka mpo per their own stupid mentality na show me if Samira is controlling MPP, so what? Is she not a woman? Shouldn't that even make you proud? Say, such a great party like MPP is now being controlled by a woman. If indeed women are supposed to support women. Kwasia way, or bafun way, or bayana asema kotu or baby, no akwatete rob de ahye nani ase ebi mimi na say bayfo no be wu the women and women abuse but you are here busily abusing your fellow woman. Me say we no me Janet the name man no a man should deal with her when it comes to the monko cha no. Me I just want to talk about her mental capacity to even make such statements. Samira is dangerous. Or dangerous because on them more near grow. On them kwasiafo onye den nante. And to be dangerous amount. Or you're dangerous because or non a woman or what Ghana where to me either are running a political campaign amana successful and very, very fruitful. It's definitely she's dangerous. Samira is dangerous because Sebio Samira or no bia why no area mama. They said the amumu mu area mama and then the musi sebi mukunum emoja ajene. And they say young girls and young boys ya beba and amoni omobeda. Omumoja ajene. And the Huna Omash de Cocho Muti or Trinity or a lesbian, not the name, Omo near Supi for man on when Supi man who no. Nankawo, why is a brood yeast uncle ye? Oh, etin chim sachomo, etumia quidna mama the pancake abubo wenim, Kabeka sem na yentia Samira dangerous. Now, if a woman call the second part of it, me throw the entia Mary Ewusi, CEO of Free Zone. Oni munyansa na okasa te se dia sebio baba subia kano eno ane bebe odire mo de kan kwasi asem muntie no wa say mama. Why is Samira dangerous? Because Samira is controlling MPP. Yanko Samira is not part of MPP leadership. On kan yanko tie ni bio
Baumia is what wo Samira Baumia wo ye oba Ghana ni ba me ka che Ghana for say yenhwe Samira Baumia yi.
Oh yes,
won hwe kwan fa so odi ko bubu wo bidan gu ye even
yo so me catch o say NDC for one year party bi a ohun hwe so o te Ghana Mrs. Adi me nyai kan o Ghana pa na ye wadwene say NDC a political party kura adwene bi e de besesa Ghana shebra unim nyansa very simple or say Samira ko bubu obi dan yagu meboa wo a wutie wo Ghana biara mama yanka nokore ta edan ane esi abubu agu no me pa cho eho nokore maaye me pa cho nokore ne baaye no Samira din wo omo de ye campaign o ena Samira ko bubu obi dan yagu wo mo ba ba mu 2025 ena sa nokore ne be ye den ebeda adie adentia the building in effect nankasa no has nothing to do with Hajia Samira Baumia. Prekobi a your friend Alex Tete. Prekobi no di Canadian Japan wechi. Prekobi. Also be dina ho and obe prove da ya man a microphone. A man so on kasa on prove the chere say Samira and ama order na yakobu obi dan one family no went to me improve. Tieni pa. Was Samira na ekobubu obi dan egu eno the entia Samira ye dangerous no kwan on fa so di bubu obi dan egu ye me that court document and I have all of it here. Kennedy Japan papa na oyi ne dan ba akodema Kennedy Japan no wo 227 houses no say on fanya campaign office no ono na opes wo use ni sika na Kennedy Japan ana oni ye ntumi fa clerical enko santokwe ya ye queen. We are going to fail. Obiba, now because na sister Ellen, I'm glad you are here. Sa dear we debia ya can near the anua brobroso, near jai, near the anua brobroso, and untiama precobia soria, no offendi pano the next simple so, not the ending near Kikase Yahoso, not just to destroy people. It's about time when the campaign of Samira, the campaign of Baumia himself need to start knowing say there are certain things you need to take action. Certain people need to be used as an example. Hajia Samira, if you are listening to me, mommy, fire. And yet now you have to be the bigger person. Forget being the bigger person when you are being killed. Being the bigger person, that is soiling you, that is destroying you, that is not being the bigger person. Because you be the bigger person, and the lies they told about you and the nasty things they said about you is going to stick in somebody's brain. Muwe busiem. Sahajia Samira name to me, Senikulu name to me. You people have family. Don't be a next Nanado family. Don't be Dankwa family. Sa family no, Oforiata family no. Don't be that family. That family can't fight. They don't fight. And that is why, regardless of the work, His Excellency Nanado Beye, we still want to paint him, say, he's the worst president we have ever had because you can't say something as well. Yenkoyano. Yenchi Obiason Fahon. Your Excellency, Alaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, if your family members are listening, don't be a Nanado family. That is a family that does not fight. You can say all you want to say about them, and they will still be in their suit and tie and sit in one side. That is what works for them. Because in question, someone you can find Nanado. And Yamabonia, Yadia Nanado. Sanki Yetumi Chamber, Kukura, Kwasiabi, the Nijina court to China. So, Yetumi Chia, Buabu cried the Nijina magistrate court to cram and Nikodemu 1 week. And Kenyan say, Nanado, Edin, Yapesi, a titan, the son of Crave Free.
Papa, what you're crossing your cocoa for Banu Sida Ukumase. Sabro no me boss we. And the cocoa phone to me si die. Over cockra baby or motia yasem and yadikatwa. A free 1992 Eba, MPP DC, up play the minds of cocoa farmers. Yeah? Yesusana model of funding, Yadito cocoa ye. Banks for more consortium. Local banks, a former consortium. September be next Cameroon backroom, as I make a beginning, yes, cocoa scaba. And I'm more pecron bunti. Obia no yakotwa the amano was a mecon rock or jabo salam the cocoa na collateralizing. A dear business idea pan and penful women. Say a quadri syndicated loan. Na the auto cocoa no, what is that? The almost a check and a phone say to say me about we. Now why a friend was one worry now I'll call Obama was say, Minia, or some worry into worry me. No family at the open. Wabra, you bet my raise scan will chroma. I found a mamma back say, a reform so more, you know, a reform so no, ye babe a local bonds. And the I mean, and you know, now, what shut down my said cocoa industry. Okay? Send this for man, say, as some way, I created a scar in the minds and the hearts of the cocoa farmers. So, be a quack, say, me coton me cocoa, many 3,000 something. Ama enipa no what you call for cry collateral so nim ebusia kokko for bono underground your friend about out come on tra enka ha enya dia mo ye no ebi empimanim ebi empemians 3 force yeah ECG boka do mama wo say yemfa 1 cd and 2